In this video, I will review step 1, which concerns our textbook Focus on Writing, pages 13 through 21. So even before you begin, it's important to understand that you need to have the textbook in order to complete this work. This work will take something like an hour to complete, and that time may vary for different students. But our guess is it's about an hour's worth of work. Your goal in this assignment is to begin developing reflective awareness and personal insight into your experiences with reading and writing. Developing self-awareness of your reading and writing practices takes time, openness, and curiosity on your part. To start, first read Laurie McMillan's Focus on Writing, What College Students Want to Know, page 16. This section, called Reading Actively, Reading Rhetorically, introduces a set of questions that any skilled reader needs to consider in order to read critically. Try to get in the habit of asking these questions about any source you read. I'll ask you to use these questions for readings throughout the semester. Next, with rhetorical reading in mind, read through pages 13 through 21. As you read, make note of any questions or thoughts that seem important to you while you're reading. These annotations will help you think through what you're reading, and they will serve as helpful notes when you review this reading later on in the course. After you've read and taken notes, compose a list that explains 5 diverse types of reading/writing that you have recently done. Examples may include writings such as a tweet, letter, note, Snapchat, blog post, vlog, brochure, lunch menu, parking ticket, etc. For each item in your list, provide a detailed response to the bolded question on page 16. Why was this written? Use the concept of exigence to guide your response. That is, make use of the term in your response. What kind of purposes does it fulfill? Use the concepts of kairos and genre to guide your response. Again, use those terms in your response for each. After you've fleshed out your list, conclude by writing an informal reflection on what reading and writing means to you based on the types of reading and writing mentioned in your list. To what extent is your reading and writing rhetorical and active? And again, use those terms in your response. Please submit your detailed list and reflection by the assignment due date.